Welcome to Site Programming channel. My name is Keerthi. I am from 2nd BTech IT. Today I am here to say about sum of subsets by using backtracking technique. Subsets. The subset problem is one of the problems solved using backtracking. In this problem, we need to find the subset of elements that are selected from a given set, whose sum adds up to a given number k. It is assumed that the set consists of non-negative values and there are no duplicates. Let us know what is meant by backtracking. Backtracking is a technique based on algorithm to solve problem. It uses recursive calling to find the solution by building a solution step by step, increasing values with time. Now, let us try an example. Find all possible subsets of W, the sum of M by using backtracking technique. Let W is equals to 11, 13, 24, 7 and M is equals to 31 and draw the portion of the state space tree that is generated. Now let us solve the problem. Here initially we take 0. The sum of subsets is equals to 55. Then x1 is equals to 1. Here x1 value is equals to 11. So 0 plus 11 is equals to 11. 55 minus 11 is equals to 44. Then x2 is equals to 1. The x2 value is equals to 13. So 11 plus 13 is equals to 24 and 44 minus 13 is equals to 31. Then x3 is equals to 1. The x3 value is equals to 24. Here 24 plus 24 is equals to 48. Then 31 minus 24 is equals to 7. But in the problem the m value is equals to 31. But the 48 is greater than 31. So this is not the solution. Then by using the backtrack technique we will go to x2. Here x3 is equals to 0, then the sum will remains constant. Then at x4 is equals to 1, the x4 value is equals to 7. Then 24 plus 7 is equals to 31 and 31 minus 7 is equals to 24. Here m is equals to 31. Then the sum of these numbers is equals to 31. Then this is one of the solution. Then we goes by using backtrack technique to the x3. So at x4 is equals to 0, the sum will remains constant. So this is not a solution because 31 is the solution but 24 is less than 31. So this is not the solution. By using backtrack technique, we goes to the x2. Now x2 is equals to 0. At x2 is equals to 0, the x1 value is constant. Then x3 is equals to 1. The x3 value is equals to 24. At 24 means 11 plus 24 is equals to 35. Then 44 minus 24 is equals to 33. The 35 is greater than 31. So this is not the solution. Then by using backtrack technique we goes to the x3 is equals to 0. At x3 is equals to 0, the x2 value is constant. Here the x4 is equals to 1. At x4 the value is 7. So 11 plus 7 is equals to 18. Then 44 minus 7 is equals to 37. So here the sum is 18. But we want 31. So 18 is less than 31. So this is also not the solution. Then we goes to the x4 is equals to 0. At x4 is equals to 0, the x3 is constant. So here it comes 11. The sum is 11. So 31 is greater than 11. So this is also not the solution. Then we goes to the x1 is equals to 0. At x1 is equals to 0, 0 and 55 comes constant. Here the x2 is equals to 1. At x2 the value is 13. So 0 plus 13 is equals to 13 and 55 minus 13 is equals to 42 and x3 is equals to 1. Then at x3 the value is 24. So 13 plus 24 is equals to 37 and 42 minus 24 is equals to 18. Here the 37 is greater than 31. So this is not the solution. By using backtrack technique we goes to the back and x3 is equals to 0. At x3 is equals to 0 the x2 remains constant. So here x4 is equals to 1. At x4 the x value is equals to 7. So 13 plus 7 is equals to 20 and 42 minus 7 is equals to 35. So 20 is less than 31. So this is also not the solution. At x4 is equals to 0, the x3 is constant. This is also not the solution because 13 is less than the 31. So at x2 is equals to 0, the value 0 and 55 remains constant. So at x3 is equals to 1, the x value is equals to 24. So 0 plus 24 is equals to 24 and 55 minus 24 is equals to 31. And then at x4 is equals to 1, the x4 value is equals to 7. So 24 plus 7 is equals to 31 and 31 minus 7 is equals to 24. Here the sum of subsets is equals to 31. So this is also a one more solution. So by using backtracking x4 is equals to 0, the value remains constant 24 and 31. So 24 is less than the 31. So this is not a solution. Again by using backtracking we goes to x3 is equals to 0. At x3 is equals to 0, 0 and 55 remains constant. At x4 is equals to 1, the value 7 and 48 at x4 is equals to 1. This is also not a solution because 7 is less than the 31. At x4 is equals to 0, the value remains constant 0 and 55. So 0 is less than the 31. So this is also not the solution. By solving the problem, in this problem we get two solutions. First solution 11 plus 13 plus 7 is equals to 31 and second solution 27 plus 7 is equals to 31. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubt, comment in the comment section.